Today I'm going to show you how to add delivery time and revisions to a Fiverr gig. So from this page, we're going to click on My Business, go to Gigs. We're going to go and look for the gig that we'd like to edit. Mine is in draft right now. Click on whichever one of these statuses your gig is sitting in. You're going to come down over here. You'll see a list of them. On the right, click on the drop-down arrow, click on Edit. It will then open this up. Here we want to change some details. Okay, so we've got our overview. That's great. Click on Save and Continue over here. What we want to essentially do is look at our duration and our revisions. So for delivery time, we're going to come down over here and we've got delivery time, we've got revisions. So delivery time, we can click in over here, can change what our delivery time is going to be. And then we've got revisions. And this is always important because I believe if a client is paying for something and they've given you enough information to complete what you need to complete, you shouldn't need too many revisions. Okay, but sometimes clients are a little bit sort of up in the air as to what they want. They don't really know what it is that they want. So make sure that you manage your revisions effectively. Too little, you are scaring your clients away. Too many revisions, you are wasting your time on one single thing that could just have been a simple process. There we go. Change your delivery time, your revisions, and once you're done, you're going to click over here, save, and it's been saved.